Every family needs a reliable printer, especially one with school-age kids. This is the Epson EcoTank ET2850 all-in-one, cartridge-free Supertank printer, and it comes with up to 2 years of ink in the box. It's ready to print book reports, essays, family schedules, or even holiday decorations. Plus, you can save up to 90% with replacement ink bottles instead of those traditional ink cartridges. It's also voice-activated and wireless, so you can truly print from anywhere, and it's just $299.99.
For more on these stories, just head on over to killerapps.tv.